cold start. Yeah, the exhaust sounds good. There's no RPM issues, or it's cold, so there's a little bit of smoke, gray smoke, but on a cold morning, that's to be expected. I got the road behind me, so it's kind of hard to hear, but no engine ticking sounds or anything strange. The core support we checked, it's been replaced, but you can't really see anything noticeable, no repair marks. I took some pictures that let you see a little bit better. Strut towers, they're dirty, but there's no rust. Tower. Stock intake, but it has the HKS piping. The front mount's kind of small, but that can be replaced. The headlights, they don't have the busted clips. There's no noticeable repair marks that people might be hiding. Everything looks good. Warmed up enough.
Just try and sort of charge it on a little bit.
Okay, do a couple hits. Ready? Alright, as far as the outside is concerned, overall, the car is immaculate. There's no scratches or dents or dings. If you look down the side, you know, on your typical brush marks, and there's nothing here. I mean, there's like some light swirl, but the doors, there's not a single indentation or something that shows that it, you know, they fixed a dent. The overall door looks a little wavy though, to where it may have been repainted at some point down to the fender, the quarter panel in the back there. But it's a excellent paint job. And over on the other side as well, I took a picture of it. Right around here, I can kind of see wavy paint going down to where the door may have been resprayed right here to fix a scratch or something of that nature. But you can barely see it all. Like it's a professional paint job. The Nismo wheels, endless brakes, cooler hiding there. There is a brush mark here. Pretty much the only damage I've seen right there. Front bumper. It's very clean. The hood, as you can see in the, let me close the hood for you. The hood has like that checkered technique where it's the painted carbon, so you can see it looks kind of checkered in the painted carbon. These have been repainted. There's no dents or dings or scratches on the roof. The spoiler itself is very clean. The trunk, with the pictures you can see in the trunk, there was no signs of rust or anything on them. The rear is very clean. And again, all the way down the side of the car, you can see how pretty that looks. All the trim going all the way around. It's not broken or missing any trim. This hasn't been taken off. The car's probably been polished recently, which is why it's so nice. But yeah, overall, this car is immaculate. All right, sitting in the car. Screen's gonna have to be replaced. It's got the lines running through it. We've looked at this before at another time, but the dash, it's clean. It's got some goodies in there. The door cards are fine. The seat, I really love the black seats versus the gray that I had. Shifter. No cigarettes. Twin digital meter. 54,000 kilometers. Put the seat back some. Nope. Shifting feels smooth. There's no play in it. RPMs are idling fine. It has the response, a little bit of gas. Steering wheel's good. Door's good. There's no indentions or cracks from elbows. In the video, this kind of looks dirty here, but it's not. It's just the sun. Handles. Overhead. There's no dirty finger marks really. It's a little bit here. The back seats, very clean. Console clean. Yeah, the interior on here is really nice. I do see a little gum mark here to where they may have had some sort of gauge here. Some sort of meter or something, definitely. Unless it was like a cell phone holder. But it'll probably come off with some cleaner. There's no gaps here.